Hey dear students, how are you? I think all of you are fine. I am also fine, and I also think that you have heard about coronavirus, and don't worry about that. You should stay at your home and don't go outside. You need to wash your hand with soap again and again. Okay, dear students, look at the picture. Can you see this picture? The picture is about a girl. Can you guess what is the girl's name? I think all of you can say this girl's name is Mita. Mita does various types of activities each day. So, this picture shows a girl's day's activities, and now we can say the topic of our lesson is Mita's day. So, my dear students, everyone take your English exercise copy and write down this topic in your copy. Ready? Are you ready? I am also writing this topic on the board. The topic is Mita's day. M-I-T-A-S, look, apostrophe S. Mita's day. Our lesson topic is Mita's day. Okay, dear students, I think all of you have written the lesson topic on your copy. So, before going to start our text, we will introduce you with new words, that is vocabulary. Say after me, washes. Washes means to clean something with water and soap. And can you guess it? What is the meaning? The meaning of washes is dhoutu kora, mane dhoa. Here look, this is Mita. This is Mita and this word is washes. When Mita wash something, then we can say Mita washes. It is like as Mita washes her face. Mita washes her face. Do you understand? Okay, I think you have understand. Mita washes her face. That means Mita tar mukh dhoutu korche ba Mita tar mukh dhoy. Okay, clear? Clear. Okay, now I keep it, and now look at this word. Can you see this word? This word is brush. I think all of you are known to this word. Clear? Brush is brush. Okay. Now we can say Mita brushes her teeth. And when you brush your teeth, then I will say you brush your teeth. When I brush my teeth, then I will say I brush my teeth. Okay, here is another new word, that is breakfast. I think all of you know breakfast, isn't it? Breakfast is the first meal of the day. The first meal of the day. And the word breakfast. Say after me, breakfast. The breakfast means সকালের নাস্তা. Okay, this is another new word, that is grandmother. Say after me, grandmother. Say after me, grandmother. G-R-A-N-D, grand, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, grandmother, grandmother. You can write this word in your copy. Do you know who is grandmother? Grandmother is your father's mother or your mother's mother. Do you have your grandmother? I have my grandmother and I love my grandmother. Okay? I think you understand this word. Now, another new word. Look and say after me, visits. Visits. Say after me, visits. The word is visits. Can you see the word? Say after me, visits. Say after me again, visits. When we go anywhere or visit, that is, here is Mita. Mita visits. Mita visits her grandmother. Do you visit your grandmother? In my holidays, I go to visit my grandmother. In holidays, we go to visit natural beauty of Bangladesh. Okay? So, write down this word visits. Visits. And I will visit you after opening the school. Here is another new word. Can you see this word? Now, the word is returns. Returns. And now, I am return. I am return. I return from that place, that is to come back. Returns, Mita. This is Mita. This is Mita. And when Mita come back, then you can say, my father returns. Okay? Okay. Now we have already know about the new words. Okay, dear students, we are going to start our text now. So you have to be careful and you have to listen to me, what I am saying. You should put your finger under the line and follow me. Okay, now we are going to start our, this is Mita. And now Mita is in class 4. She gets up at 6 o'clock. She washes her face. She has breakfast at 7 o'clock. Then she brushes her teeth. She goes to school at 9 o'clock. She walks to her school. After school, at 3 o'clock, she visits her grandmother. Then Mita returns at 5 o'clock. Now we are going to do some activities next. Because I read this text, you have already known the new words washes, dhoa, breakfast, সকালের নাস্তা, which was another new word, brushes. Brushes. All of you know brushes is to clean the teeth or something by a brush. And another word is visits. ভিজিট মিন্স পরিদর্শন করা, দেখা। ওকে, রিটার্নস, রিটার্নস মিন্স ফিরে আসা। ওকে, ওকে, নাও you have to understand the text attentively. From this text I will ask you some question and you will write this question in your exercise book or notebook or your copy or your khata. Okay, clear? And before that I will clear you the word AM and PM. When you write the time in number, then you should use AM or PM. Do you understand me? I am saying this in Bangla. যখন তুমি কোনো সময় সংখ্যায় লিখবে, why? Okay, I am clear this to you. That is, from midnight until midday we say AM. অর্থাৎ মধ্যরাত থেকে মধ্য দুপুর পর্যন্ত সময় লেখার ক্ষেত্রে আমরা AM ব্যবহার করব। You have already known this from your previous lesson. And from midday to midnight, you use PM for writing time. Because মধ্যরাত থেকে দিনের মধ্যভাগ পর্যন্ত হচ্ছে আমরা AM ব্যবহার করি এবং দিনের মধ্যভাগ থেকে অর্থাৎ 12টার পর থেকে আমরা রাত 12টা পর্যন্ত সময়ের সাথে PM ব্যবহার করি। I have already discussed you about AM and PM. Now you have to write this. You have to write this, fill in the blanks in your khata, and you have to put the proper time here. Do you clear it? Again I am clearing it. When you write the time here in number, you will use PM or AM in the fill in the blanks. Okay, now the question is, Mita gets up at when? Can you say when Mita gets up? I think you will say Mita will get up at 6 AM. Mita gets up at 6 AM and she has breakfast at when? Can you say? Yes, you can say she has her breakfast at 7 AM. Okay, now like this, and your homework is HW. You will do it in your homework copy and you show it to your class teacher when you will go to the school. Okay, stay at home, don't go outside, and again. Okay, see you, bye bye.